Alright, picked up an older torchmate for a good price to replace the old Langmuir here. Came with a Hypertherm 65, I can move control box, a bunch of wiring I gotta figure out here. But there's came with this, I can move VFC. The plug to go from the back of the plasma cutter. And then another torchmate control box here. I'm guessing the AccuMove 3 is an upgrade to this one. So we're going to try setting it up with that one. See if it works. And it looks like it came with an older Z-axis here. They must have upgraded to that one. But we're going to get it cleaned up and put together and see if we can get it running here. Alright, got the torchmate all put together. Just gotta figure out all this electronic bullcrap. Having a hard time getting the torchmate software to communicate with my laptop. But we gotta cut some parts, so I got the small table all set up, ready to cut. So let's get started. Alright, there we go.